this is some of our dive gear. This is our helmet. We have a Kirby Morgan 27 super light. It's in really good condition. It appears to be newer. It's really clean. And then you pull these two pins on either side, and then it opens up, and then you can put your head inside. Then you'll put your face up against that cockpit looking area, and then this is basically what you'll see right here as you work. That's your view. And then you have speakers on either ear and a microphone in front of your mouth so that you can talk to topside. And this little whip right here connects to a bailout bottle. That's our emergency air. In the event there's an emergency, that's the air you go on. And the blue hose is the air supply from topside with a non-return valve, and then the black wire wrapped around it is our communications wire, so that we can communicate back and forth to topside. And then of course our hat light. And this whip here connects to your BC so that you can inflate and control your buoyancy. So we're headed out to Galveston Anchorage to do an inspection of the dolphins, and I couldn't help but turn this into a video about a busted dolphin. Right there. There he is. This dolphin's got a really, looks like it's got hit, it's been hit by a prop. And it healed really nice, it seems like, but man, it looks so painful. I don't even see how this thing has survived.